Hi guys! Nice boxes, right? I don't know if I told you, I probably already did. In May, we're going to visit the Faroe Islands. So going to such a beautiful place, a drone is a must. But, can you imagine taking this with you? You could, of course, take only this small box, but without the Sky controller. The range, to tell you the truth, is quite shitty. Just from the iPhone, whilst the Sky controller is huge. The thing is, according to the airline regulations, you cannot put this in the storage of a plane. You have to have it as a carry-on. So I can't imagine lugging this around. So the time has come to move to DJI. Yep. Bye Parrot. This one will be up for sale. And now we've got this nice, compact DJI drone. What is it? Well, let's take a look. Remote control. This versus this. What's the range? I believe it's pretty much the same. And now for the drone. This thing's really tiny. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.